In this video, I'll break down my top 5 conditioners for men, my experiences, and which conditioner I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order starting with the 5th ranked conditioner, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best conditioner for men and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the conditioners, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Ballsy Goodhead Conditioner. Ballsy Goodhead Conditioner is formulated to promote thick, strong, and smooth hair. The inclusion of argan oil hydrates and softens hair, restoring shine to brittle strands. Hibiscus oil is another key ingredient that promotes healthier hair, while olive oil nourishes and strengthens each strand. The conditioner also contains tea tree oil, which helps to cleanse and protect the scalp. Free from parabens, sulfates, and synthetic dyes, this conditioner is designed to be gentle yet effective. The formula is further enhanced with glycerin and cetyl alcohol, which provide additional moisture and conditioning benefits. The light, invigorating scent of citrus, vanilla, and coconut adds a refreshing touch, making it a pleasure to use. At number 4, we have the Keranique Volumizing Keratin Conditioner. Keranique Volumizing Keratin Conditioner is specifically designed to thicken and volumize fine, thinning hair without weighing it down. The cream gel formula contains a fortifying complex that coats and protects hair with a keratin-enriched coating. Key ingredients include niacinamide, menthol, and keratin amino complex, which work together to strengthen hair, reduce shedding, and create an environment for healthy hair growth. This sulfate-free, dye-free, and paraben-free conditioner is suitable for chemically treated, fine, normal, thin, and straight hair types. It's formulated to moisturize and detangle while adding volume, fullness, and thickness. The product claims to improve manageability, combability, and detangling without leaving a heavy, waxy feeling on the hair or scalp. While marketed primarily to women, the focus on volumizing and strengthening thin hair makes it potentially beneficial for men experiencing hair thinning or loss as well. At number 3, we have Pete and Pedro Condition. Pete and Pedro Condition is a standout product due to its nourishing formula that revitalizes hair. The conditioner features key ingredients like peppermint oil and panthenol, which work together to restore hair's natural oils and pH balance. Peppermint oil provides a cooling, soothing sensation to the scalp, while panthenol adds shine and manageability without weighing hair down. The formula is paraben-free and color-safe, making it suitable for all hair types. Additionally, the inclusion of hydrolyzed rice protein and various plant extracts helps to strengthen and repair damaged hair, leaving it soft, smooth, and healthy. This conditioner is ideal for men looking to maintain vibrant, manageable hair. At number 2, we have Scotch Porter Nourish and Repair Hair Conditioner. One of the standout features of Scotch Porter Nourish and Repair Hair Conditioner is its use of natural ingredients to restore and revitalize hair. This conditioner is formulated with key ingredients like kale protein and white willow bark, which work together to combat damage and dryness. Kale protein is particularly effective in conditioning and moisturizing the hair, promoting overall hair health and barrier function. White willow bark, on the other hand, serves as an antimicrobial agent that helps reduce inflammation and redness, while also increasing the rate of cellular renewal to exfoliate dull, dead skin cells. The conditioner is designed to be lightweight yet intensely moisturizing, making it suitable for various hair types, including wavy, curly, dry, and thick hair. It is free from harmful chemicals such as parabens, sulfates, silicones, phthalates, petrolatum, PEGs, mineral oil, and synthetic colors, ensuring a safe and gentle treatment for the hair and scalp. Additionally, the product is vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with ethical and sustainable practices. Using the conditioner is straightforward. After shampooing, apply it to damp hair, focusing on the ends, and leave it in for 2 to 5 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with warm water. For optimal results, it is recommended to follow up with Scotch Porter Smoothing Hair Balm and Hair Serum. The scent of the conditioner is another appealing aspect, featuring a masculine and invigorating blend of eucalyptus, citrus, bergamot, cardamom, lavender, geranium, amber, cedarwood, patchouli, and musk. This combination not only leaves the hair smelling fresh, but also adds to the overall grooming experience. At number 1, we have Brickell Men's Revitalizing Hair Conditioner. The Brickell Men's Revitalizing Hair Conditioner boasts a powerful blend of natural ingredients that effectively nourish and strengthen hair. Its thick, aloe-based formula delivers potent nutrients directly to the hair and scalp, promoting fuller, healthier-looking locks. The conditioner's standout ingredients include borage oil, rich in omega-6 fatty acids, which stimulates hair growth and helps prevent dandruff. Avocado oil is another key component, working to strengthen and moisturize each hair shaft, resulting in stronger, silkier hair. The addition of peppermint in the formula serves multiple purposes. It stimulates the scalp, encouraging hair growth and helping to prevent dandruff, while also providing an invigorating, refreshing scent. The conditioner's texture is notably thick, almost jelly-like, ensuring that it coats the hair thoroughly for maximum benefit. This product is designed to address various hair concerns, including dryness, lack of volume, and dullness. It aims to boost shine, moisture, and elasticity, leaving hair looking fuller and more vibrant. The natural oils in the formula also work to soothe the scalp, creating an optimal environment for healthy hair growth. The conditioner is suitable for all hair types and is particularly beneficial for men dealing with thinning hair or scalp issues. Its natural and organic ingredients make it a great choice for those seeking a chemical-free hair care option. So that sums up my top 5 conditioners for men I hope you enjoyed. You can check out other top 5 videos on my channel by clicking below.